How to remove text from a video in CapCut. So if you want to remove the text from a video in CapCut, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go and export that video from your CapCut. After exporting the video, you can open up your Google or your browser. And here you need to go with search. Search for HitPaw Watermark Remove. Scroll down, tap on this one, which will take you to the official website. And from here, you can go with upload a file, which is on the middle of your screen. So tap on upload a file in which you have your watermark or text. And after that, go with upload, choose file, and then select a file from your mobile device. Or you can also go with your PC or your laptop. So choose your file, and after choosing, you can go with next, and you will have a download option. You can just simply go with download, and from this website, you'll be able to remove the text from a video. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.